like a bird. I feel like a bird, I feel like a bird sitting on your windowsill, waiting for you to come home. And I know you're there for me when I come home. I'm always pecking at the seed that you be setting out for me. Pecking on the same damn seeds. Got a feeling in my feathers it'll never get better, but I keep on picking as the plot further thickens. I don't wanna be a chicken and I'm scared to hear you bitching. Chip away at the pile, starts to feel my vibe. The taste in my beak starts to feel more oblique, and when I try to go away, the cycle repeats. I always tweet my replies, feel like I'm living a lie. Maybe this time, I always say I'm gonna fly away in the brighter days, in the bluest skies. Oh Lord, I feel like a bird, I feel like a bird sitting on your windowsill, waiting for you to come home. I know you'll be there for me when I come and go. I'm always pecking at the seeds that you be setting out for me.